Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Stove Grate Cleaner is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked products for maintaining a pristine kitchen, especially for those who love to cook and frequently use their stovetops. It's the secret weapon against stubborn, baked-on grease, burned food residue, and unsightly grime that can accumulate on your cast-iron stove grates, transforming them from a neglected eyesore into a gleaming centerpiece that enhances the overall aesthetic and hygiene of your cooking space. Number 5. Stardrops The Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste 500g. Introducing the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste. This powerful multi-purpose cleaner tackles grease, grime, and tough stains with ease. Effortlessly clean your kitchen and bathroom surfaces. It's perfect for sinks, ovens, tiles, and more, leaving them spotless. Achieve streak-free shine on your glass and shower doors. Say goodbye to water spots and soap scum. Its unique formula is designed to cut through stubborn grease and grime. You'll be amazed at how it restores surfaces. Gentle yet effective, it's also safe for use on stainless steel. Keep your appliances looking their best. This generous 500g tub provides long-lasting cleaning power. Get ready for a truly deep clean throughout your home. What we like. This cleaner is incredibly versatile, tackling grease, grime, and stains on multiple surfaces. If you're looking for a single solution for various cleaning tasks around your home, this is a fantastic choice. Its ability to handle tough messes while leaving a pleasant scent makes it ideal for everyday use. What people say. It has worked wonders in completely cleaning my bathroom tiles and grouts, transforming them from dull and stained to sparkling and pristine. The Pink Stuff's cleaning paste boasts an incredible cleaning action that easily removes stubborn stains and grime from bathroom tiles and grouts. It is not only perfect for bathroom tiles and grouts but also works wonders on other surfaces throughout the house. I've used it on sinks, countertops, stovetops, and even outdoor furniture with equally remarkable results. Number 4. Weiman Glass and Ceramic Cooktop Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Weiman Glass and Ceramic Cooktop Cleaner Kit. It's designed to tackle burnt-on food and grease, leaving your cooktop sparkling clean. This comprehensive kit includes a powerful cleaning cream, scrubbing pads, and a scraper. You'll have everything you need for a thorough clean. Watch as it effortlessly removes stubborn residues and restores the original shine to your cooktop. It makes cleaning simple and effective. Worry-free cleaning is here. It's safe for use on induction, electric, and gas cooktops, ensuring versatility for any kitchen. Say goodbye to tough grease and burnt-on messes. This cleaner cuts through the toughest grime with ease, making your kitchen tasks easier. Get a brilliant, streak-free finish every time. It not only cleans but also protects your cooktop surfaces. What we like. This kit is designed specifically for glass and ceramic cooktops, ensuring a safe and effective clean. If you have a delicate cooktop and struggle with stubborn, burnt-on food, the included scrubbing pads and scraper will be invaluable. It leaves your cooktop looking shiny and new. What people say. It truly took off hard to scrub off substances. Easy to use, effective cleaner, safe on glass cooktop, handy size and cleaning accessories. Removed burnt-on grease in 1 minute that I had spent at least a solid hour trying to scrub with only soap and water and oven cleaner. The cleaning solution was able to restore the entire stove top to a like-new shine. Number 3. Weiman Gas Range Cleaner and Degreaser. Introducing Weiman Gas Range Cleaner and Degreaser. It's formulated to cut through tough grease and grime, leaving your gas range sparkling clean. Enjoy the refreshing scent of lemon as you clean. This powerful formula makes maintaining your kitchen effortless. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and baked-on food. Our cleaner works hard so you don't have to. Specifically designed for gas ranges, it effectively removes residue without damaging surfaces. Achieve a professional clean right at home. This single bottle provides ample cleaning power for multiple uses. Keep your kitchen looking its best with ease. What we like. If your gas range is plagued by stubborn grease and grime, this degreaser is your answer. Its powerful formula cuts through tough residues, leaving your appliance clean and with a fresh lemon scent. It's perfect for those who need a heavy-duty solution for their gas cooktop. What people say. This cleanser removes baked-on burned-on stains that no steel wool pad would touch. It removed these stains without much effort or scratching the finish. It works great. I spray it on, wait a couple minutes, and the grease and stuck-on food comes right off. Leaves my range shiny and clean. Very good product for hard stains around the stove surface. Number 2. Goo Grill and Grate Cleaner Spray, 2-pack. Are you tired of stubborn grease and grime on your grill? Goo Grill and Grate Cleaner is here to make your life easier. It effectively tackles tough messes, leaving your grill sparkling clean. This powerful spray is designed to cut through baked-on food and grease with ease. Simply spray it on, let it work its magic, and wipe away the mess. You'll be amazed at how quickly it restores your grates. Whether you have a charcoal, gas, pellet, or electric smoker, this cleaner is safe and effective. It's formulated to handle all types of grill surfaces without causing damage. This value pack comes with 2 24-ounce bottles, ensuring you have plenty of cleaner for multiple uses. Keep one handy for regular maintenance and the other for those deep cleaning sessions. A clean grill means better tasting food. Get back to enjoying delicious BBQs without the hassle of scrubbing. This cleaner helps you achieve a hygienic cooking surface every time. Don't let a dirty grill stop your summer cookouts. Order your Goo Grill and Grate Cleaner today and experience the difference. It's the ultimate solution for a spotless grill. What we like. This 2-pack is tailor-made for outdoor cooking enthusiasts, specifically targeting barbecue grates and smokers. If you frequently grill or use smokers and want to keep your cooking surfaces free of baked-on residue, this is the product for you. It effectively degreases and cleans, ensuring your next meal is cooked on a pristine surface. What people say. This product does what it advertises. For light cleaning, just spray and no need to scrub. For heavier messes and stains, you will need to scrub. The powerful foaming formula quickly gets rid of caked-on food, carbon, grease, and baked-on deposits that can ruin the taste of your favorite foods. Cleans absolutely great. Took off some really bad burnt grease on a stainless steel grill. Number 1. Weiman Cooktop Cleaner Paste. Tired of stubborn messes on your cooktop? Our powerful cleaner is designed to tackle even the toughest burnt-on food and grease. Don't let water spots dull your shine. This formula effectively removes watermarks, restoring the pristine look of your cooktop. Achieve a brilliant, streak-free finish every time. It leaves your glass cooktop looking as good as new. While powerful against grime, it's formulated to be safe for your delicate glass surfaces. Enjoy a deep clean without worry. Bring back the original luster to your kitchen appliance. It's the simple solution for a sparkling clean cooktop. What we like. For those who desire a truly sparkling glass cooktop, this paste is the ultimate solution. It excels at removing not only burned-on food and grease but also stubborn watermarks. If you're aiming for a flawless, streak-free shine on your glass cooktop, this product will deliver exceptional results. What people say. It gets up the tougher stains. No scratches on the glass. This cooktop paste was easy to use and broke up the burned-on buildup relatively easy. It also leaves a nice shine. Leaves the hob sparkling clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.